So the next part of this project at this house has been to put in the fence, and I'm here with Tim Ploss from
Pure
Fence in Michigan, and they just completed this amazing fence in the backyard. So definitely use this guy. He does great quality work. You do other types of than just wood privacy fences, right?
Oh, yeah.
You do like
all
chain
different
link.
kind, chain link, vinyl, aluminum, any kind of fence.
And he services all of the Battle Creek's area, Southwest Michigan, that sort of thing. So it's definitely a great, we'll give you a tour of this thing when we're done here, but definitely check this out. It's made a massive improvement on this property. This is the heated fence, and I had them design it so that this wall facing the driveway, or this fence line facing the driveway, has about a ½ inch gap between the pickets, so that there could be some visibility into the backyard, so somebody coming into the back door at night could actually see if anybody's back here. But otherwise, the rest of the backyard is all privacy fence, and it's a treated pine, so it should last a long time. And they did it pretty fast. It took about 3 days to do the job, so very impressed. Did a good quality work, and definitely recommend Pure Fence here in Battle Creek. So that's going to be it for today's episode. If you want to follow along on this project with me, go ahead and remember to like, comment, and subscribe in the little box below. And I'll see you next time as we keep working on this house and show you how it progresses along.